I will show you the professional method on how to cut and sew an open split sleeve.
First thing I'm going to do is to attach these two parts together. At the center, I'll take 3 inches. 3 inches from the center, mark it here, then mark it here, which is altogether 6 inches. So my stitching is going to end at this point. So I'll be stitching it with 1/2 inch. When you get to the point you mark, which is the 3 inches, you stop there. And then you move the material forward to the next point. You can see the point here. Here we mark. Move it there. And then you sew again. So this part will be used for the split. We're going to iron this. So I weave the rough edge off, and after weaving the rough edge, I came to iron it. For the work to look neat. The total length of the sleeve is 17 plus 1/2 inch, which will give us 17.5. 17.5. At 17.5, we have extra 2.5 inches to fold up. So with the tape, on this part, you can decide to use your thread or your hemming gum to gum this, or you can sew it at the tip. So we'll move to the sewing machine so that I can sew it at the tip. So I'm sewing it up with the inches. Right now I'm sewing it to prevent it from opening. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe